how to trim your videos directly on Vimeo. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can trim your videos directly on Vimeo. So kindly watch till the end. The first step is to log in into your Vimeo account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. So on this page, you can see different options, right? So once you can see that, in order for you to trim your videos, you would have to locate the video first of all, and then move to the left side of the screen where you can see some icons, and then just click on library. So by clicking on library, you would see your different videos that are available that you've added to your library already. So select the ones that you would like to trim. So after selecting the ones that you'd like to trim, you'll be brought to the video editing page. Once you're on this page, you can see your title, you can see description, you can see your thumbnail, content, and the likes. Move to the left side where you can see a sidebar and then click on edit. So by clicking on edit, you can see the different options that has been displayed. All right. So you can just go ahead and select the one that you would like to do. So you can see text-based trimmer where you can highlight and select and delete words from your transcripts to remove parts of your video. You can see editor to stitch videos together. You can see make a GIF. So in this case, we are dealing with text-based trimmer. So just click on it. And so after clicking on it, you'll be taken to the next page. So just wait patiently for it to load. Once it has loaded, you can see how it looks like. It's a transcript and all. So you can just easily go ahead and edit this by moving this button here, by moving it to the point you want to trim or not. All right, so just follow it this way, and you can try to split it from others. Do the same, and then you can select it and delete it as a means of trimming it. And then once you're done, for example, I'm going to delete this, move to the top right corner, click on save, and then just like that, your video has been trimmed effectively. So this is just an example to show you how you can trim your videos directly on Vimeo. So go ahead and try it out. Thanks for watching and have a good day.